Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to make lots of money by just using two free AI tools. Watch the full video to know. So first of all, go to ChatGPT and create a script for your video. Here I will generate a free script using ChatGPT for my video. So you can see ChatGPT is generating a free script for me. You can also create a free script of whatever topic you want. So here you can see my script is ready. I will simply copy the script, open a Word document and paste your script over there. Now you can edit your script accordingly, according to whatever your requirements are. So I will add my channel name here, and you can also add your channel name or whatever you want to add. So after editing your script, you just have to simply copy your script. After copying your script, just simply go to Google and search for pictory.ai. You will see the first website there. Just click on that. Now you can just click on free trial because we are going to use a free trial. So you have to create an account there. After creating an account, it will take you to the dashboard. Now you can see there are lots of options. You can just select script to video because we are going to generate a video of our script. Enter the title of your YouTube video. I will enter the title of my video, that is 5 benefits of using ChatGPT. Now simply paste your copied script over here. You can also change the scene settings from here. After that, you simply have to click on the proceed button. Now it will take you to the template library. You can see there are lots of templates available. You can select whatever you like. After selecting the template, it will take you to the editing page. Now here you can just simply edit your video. You can also change the background scenes as well. So my video is related to artificial intelligence. I will simply go to library and search for artificial intelligence. So I can add the visuals more beautifully and the ones that are related to my video. So it's searching for the visuals. So now you can see it has shown me a lot of background visuals that you can add to your video or clips. So you can select whatever you like. I will select this one. So you can see how professional it looks after adding a visual. So I can manually add visuals to every scene. So you can also edit according to your requirements or according to whatever you like. So I have added this visual to my second scene, and I will add a third visual to my third scene, and so on. I will add the visuals to all the scenes, and after it's done, you can also play and check how it looks like. So we will click on the preview button and check how it actually looks like. But before that, we will just add audio to our video. You can just click on the audio button, and you can also add your own voiceover to it. If you don't want to add your own voiceover, you can just simply select any available voiceovers from here. So I will apply a female voiceover to my video. So after selecting the voiceover, you can also add a background music to your video. Just simply click on the background music and select whatever background music you like. So it's already applied to my video. You can also change it. Now we will just simply click on the preview button and check how our video looks like. Now let's just play and check it out.
Everyone, welcome to my channel, The Future of AI. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 benefits of using ChatGPT, a powerful language model that can help you with a wide range of tasks.
So this is how my video looks like, very professional. After your video is ready, you can just simply click on the download button and download your video. Now once your video is ready, you can just simply upload it on YouTube and earn a lot of money. Now if you want to monetize your channel, I will recommend not to use any robotic voices on your videos. Just simply use your own voiceover on these videos and your channel will be easily monetized. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel.